Hey, quick question. Have you ever stared blankly at someone and thought, what did they just say? Like they're speaking super advanced Hollywood level English while you're still stuck at how do you do? Yep, we've all been there. But don't worry, because today, you're going from confused to confident in everyday conversations. Hey guys, welcome to Talk Fluently. In today's video, I'm going to give you 50 super useful English phrases that you can start using in your everyday life. Whether you're just beginning your journey to an English-speaking country or you've been learning English for a while and want to get back into it, this is the perfect place to start. Let's dive in. Phrase 1. Instead of how are you, say how's it going? It sounds more natural and conversational. Phrase 2. Haven't seen someone in a while? Say long time no see. Phrase 3. Want to ask what someone's been doing? Try what have you been up to? Phrase 4. Everything going well? Respond with can't complain. Simple and chill. Phrase 5. Someone finds out something you didn't tell them? Ask how do you know? Phrase 6. Someone tells a good joke? React with that's a good one. Phrase 7. Grateful? Say it's very kind of you. Phrase 8. Someone tried to help but didn't succeed? Say thank you anyway. Phrase 9. Making a polite request in an email? End it with thank you in advance. Phrase 10. Want to calm someone down after a mistake? Say no worries. Phrase 11. Walk into a room full of your friends unexpectedly? Say what's going on here? Phrase 12. Didn't quite understand what someone said? Ask did I get you right? Phrase 13. Someone's upset? Say don't take it to heart. Phrase 14. Missed the last word of what someone said? Ask I didn't catch the last word. Phrase 15. Totally missed what someone was saying? Say sorry, I wasn't listening. Phrase 16. Something inconvenient happens? Just say it doesn't matter. Phrase 17. Wishing someone luck? Cross your fingers and say fingers crossed. Phrase 18. Something finally makes sense? Say that explains it. Phrase 19. Something bad happens? Just say things happen. It's okay. Phrase 20. Need to interrupt someone politely? Start with sorry to bother you. Phrase 21. Busy doing something? Say I'll be with you in a minute. Phrase 22. Forgot what you were talking about? Ask where were we? Phrase 23. Want someone to continue what they were saying? Prompt them with you were saying? Phrase 24. Friend gets into their dream college? Say lucky you. Phrase 25. Feeling super angry? Say I freaked out. Phrase 26. Congratulate someone? Say good for you. Depending on tone, it can be sarcastic too, be careful. Phrase 27. Shocked by news? Say you gotta be kidding me. Phrase 28. Want someone to smile again? Say cheer up. Phrase 29. Encouraging someone? Say come on, you can do it. Phrase 30. Someone's doing a great job? Say keep up the good work. Phrase 31. Loved something? Say that's lit. Especially in the US. Phrase 32. Someone succeeds after struggle? Say there you go. Phrase 33. Not tired at all? Say not a bit. Phrase 34. Feeling sure about something? Say there's no room for doubt. Phrase 35. Gonna message someone? Say I'll text you. Phrase 36. Want someone to stop overthinking? Say it's not worth it. Phrase 37. Friend did an amazing job? Say you rock. Phrase 38. Someone needs to try harder? Say go the extra mile. Phrase 39. Another way to say that? Step up your game. Phrase 40. Someone's crying or overwhelmed? Say pull yourself together. Phrase 41. Someone just described something so well that you want it too. Say you sold me. Phrase 42. Not interested at all? Say I couldn't care less. Phrase 43, given a super easy decision? Say, it's a no-brainer. Phrase 44, made a mistake and admitting it? Say, I screwed up. Phrase 45, need someone to work your shift? Ask, can you cover me? Phrase 46, time to leave? Say, I'd better be going. Phrase 47, saying goodbye politely? Say, take care. Phrase 48, it's finally Friday? Say, thank heavens it's Friday. Phrase 49, enjoy your weekend? Say, weekend's here. Phrase 50, want to wrap things up with gratitude? Say, thank you so much for watching. And boom, there you have it. 50 real-life English phrases that'll have you sounding less like a textbook. Pick 5 phrases you love the most, and drop them in the comments below. Not only will it help you remember them, but it'll also show the world you're serious about leveling up. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Talk Fluently because we've got a ton of juicy, fun, and ridiculously useful English content coming your way. Until next time. Keep talking. Keep laughing. And always, talk fluently. Take care, legend. You rock.